we go. This bike is just a feel-good bike. Most of the time I'm on it, there's no real mission, there's no real destination. It's just kind of like, go out there, enjoy life. There we go. Oh man, I love motorcycling for sure. I have to look back because I don't have any rear view mirrors. We're getting there. We're getting to hitting higher spots more comfortably without any problems. Oh man. Nice. I'm definitely starting to feel way better than how I felt before, which is nice. We'll check out the other pier to see if anybody kind of rolling and chilling up there. By the way, my voice might sound a little different because I am running an open face helmet. When I'm on this bike, I tend to be locally mobbing around, so there we go. What are you up to? Just riding?
No, I'm just going back to my house. How about you? Just taking in the sights?
Yeah, just chilling, man.
Cool, man. Enjoy.
All right, man. Talk to everybody, man, in the neighborhood. Why not? Just a heads up. Let me kind of mention this to you guys that when you are doing all of this stuff, be mindful. I don't know if you guys saw my last video of the near miss. Wear all your gear, jacket, helmet, all of it, because in the end, man, this is your safety is your responsibility. Trying to get a feel for exactly where I need to be though, which is kind of nice because that's what was bothering me a lot about the bike. And I'm like, damn, man, how come I'm not hitting what I want to hit, really? But now I'm starting to feel like I'm hitting what I want to hit, which is kind of nice. It's refreshing. But what happened is, here's the thing, man. Doing this stuff on first gear is really choppy and a lot of torque, and that could be, you know, jarring sometime. And I'm like, damn, man, I don't want to kind of mess this up, you know. And I was so disappointed. My last session, it was so poor. I just felt like I went backwards in terms of achieving the goal that I wanted to. But it's possible I could have been tired, I could have been exhausted. There's a lot of factors here, guys, especially this requires a lot of concentration sometimes. But today's a new day, and I'm feeling really good, and I like what I'm getting, what I'm pulling out. I'm just checking to see if there's other riders here, man. I'm in the neighborhood.
Alright, so you just need a pass to go in there after 6.
Yeah, no, I'm from this area. Okay. I'm just not in my car, I'm on my bike. I usually come by. I'm not staying anyway because there's no bikes here. No, I mean, if other people are riding, we meet up and then go kind of thing. But nobody's here anyway, so. You too, man. Let's check the other dock to see if anybody's there. Seen a couple of people with like 959s there or V2s every now and then when I come to walk my dog and stuff. I never usually say anything to them or approach them. And this is why I kind of like taking my time with things. I got the bike now, a couple of 100 miles on it. And I've been doing wheelies, chasers. Some were pretty low. Some of them are getting higher and higher. You know, until you get the full feel of the bike, you should really, you know, before you start doing all kind of crazy stuff, you should really know what's going on. Who knew I would have liked the bike without the rubber pegs are better. The rear brake has better feel without them on. So, again, some of these things are a little bit of a trial and error. Get some air in there, cool it off. I used to wheelie on little rolls like this. I stopped now because there's so many like people entering left or right like that. You don't know, so I kind of wait for a really safety spot to give those things a shot. Yes, sir. This bike is just a feel-good bike. Most of the time I'm on it, it's just, there's no real mission, there's no real destination. It's just kind of like, go out there, enjoy life, you know what I mean? It's like a YOLO bike for sure. And I think, I would say the true meaning of riding motorcycles come with bikes like this, because no worries, no real kind of hesitation. You're just going and you're just kind of finding like cool little spots to kind of hit and meeting people. I feel like I'm very engaging when it comes to this bike with other people. And again, don't get too excited about wheelies, man. Make sure you're triple check left side, right hand side, and your back before doing it. Back is mainly for the cops though, so nothing worse than getting caught doing a wheelie and the cop just observe you doing it. It's gonna go either two way. He's gonna probably say, "Don't wheelie, man, be careful," or he's gonna say, "Whoop." That's how it's gonna end up. Wow, that guy was pulling out hard there, boy. Oh man, I love motorcycling for sure. That should have been like my keep it up, let's keep it rocking kind of thing, but that car looked like a cop car. And it's turning, so no. This is me hitting the other spot real quick. We can get something in here. There's no turning in or out, only from one direction. So I only got to observe from one section, right? There we go. There we go. Nobody's behind me. Check. Let's go. Alright, hitting that town over, man. I think we got some decent little wheelies. I'm feeling good with the bike. I don't know what happened that night. I don't know, but it definitely kind of hurt my confidence a little bit. I'm like, wait a minute. Did I not really get it? That's the same dude from my video, the wheelie video. Good stuff today. Alright, let's see what's popping at the docks. Damn, my man giving him a mean ticket. Yo, what's good? Hold on. Let's pull over. I'll follow you. Go. This kid is funny. What's good? I pulled up. I was like, yo, let me go see who's out here riding. That's hilarious, bro.
I just watched a video yesterday too.
Oh, you saw it? Where you headed? Oh, shit. You just roaming around?
I'm going out here.
Oh, you're not from around here? That's a nice R6, man. What year? 2015?
No, on the 6th. 2006.
2006.
It's old, man.
Still looks good, though. Sounds good, too.
Yeah?
Me? Oh, this is 2024. What's your name? Nelson? I'm Mike, man. I'm not close enough to give you a handshake, but yeah. Where you going? You just riding around? Okay. Huh? My bike? Thanks, man. It's fun. Yeah. Of course. You wheelie? Not yet. Later.
Maybe. I don't think so.
You will. You wheelie. Look at you looking clean, boy. Yo, how big is your rear sprocket? That's huge. That's stock?
I don't know.
Or did you swap it?
Oh, because I traded my quad for it, so it came all like this.
So you didn't get it brand new?
No.
That looks fun though, man. I might have to get me one of these Surons, man.
But the bad thing about it is, like, when you ride it, it's quiet, so people don't hear you.
Mine is quiet now. I don't have an exhaust yet, so. How long you been riding? You been riding for a long time?
No, maybe 1 year.
Where you from? Ecuador?
Salvador.
Where?
Salvador.
Double where?
Salvador.
El Salvador. Good people, El Salvadorian, man. Somebody up there is riding. Oh, shit, we should go check him out. I don't know him. This is my friend now. Shoot, if he's riding, everybody's my friend. We should go over there and check him out.